Now we will start next topic of this lesson. Name is seed dispersal. We will study about of seed dispersal. The process by which seeds are scattered away from the mother plant to far off places is called seed dispersal. Why does seeds need to be dispersed? As you know, plants need adequate sunlight, air and water for proper growth. Plants which grow close to each other compete for space, air, water, minerals and sunlight. If all the seeds fall near the mother plants and close to each other, they will compete with each other. As a result, many seeds will fail to germinate. Hence, seeds need to be scattered away from the mother plant. Children, the process by which seeds are scattered from the mother plant is also known as seed dispersal. Plants have many requirements for living on the earth. These requirements are sunlight, air, water. If the plants grow close to each other, they start competition between each other for space, air, water, minerals and sunlight. Children, suppose that if all the seeds fall near the mother plant, then they will start competition between each other. In this competition, there are many seeds are germinate and many seeds do not germinate, and many seeds fail to germinate. In this competition, there are many seeds not obtained requirement things such as proper sunlight, water, air and space. As plants or seeds cannot move on their own, nature has arranged some agents to scatter seeds. These agents are wind, water, and animals. In some plants, the fruits open with an explosion, spraying the seeds over a large area. These agents ensure that seeds are scattered far and wide, preventing their clustering. Children, you know that very well all the plants and seeds cannot move on their own because there are many agents are found in nature that provide help to move from one place to another place. These agents are wind, water, animals. Children, some fruits of plants open with an explosion and spraying seeds here and there around the plants. So these natural agents help in scattering of seeds from the mother plants. Point number 1, first agent is wind. Some seeds are light in weight. They can easily get carried away by wind. They have modified parts like hair and wings. In some plants, fruits have wings. Children, you know there are many plants have seed that light in weight, so they can easily transferred from one place to another place with the help of wind and go far away from the mother plants. Example, cotton seed has fluffy hair around it. Madar seed has tuft of hair. Dandelion seed has hair. Next example, hiptage fruit has wings. So these are seed easily scattered from one place to another place with the help of wind because they have light in weight. Next agent is water. The seeds of plants which grow in water or near water get dispersed by water. The fruits and seeds have floating structures. The coconut fruit has a fibrous coat which helps it to float in winter. The lotus plant has a spongy structure which wears the fruits. It floats easily and can travel far away. Next agent is animals. We and many animals eat fruits like mango, apple, watermelon, lychee, etc. and throw away the seeds. In this way, we disperse the seeds of the plants. Squirrel hide seeds at different places and often forget about that. This helps in seed dispersal. The fruits of some plants like gentium and urina have hooks and bristles. These fruits get attached to the air and skin of grazing animals and get dispersed from one place to another. These fruits can also stick to our clothes. So next time when we go for a hike, check your trousers and socks for these fruits. Children, there are many animals help in fruit and seed dispersal. Example, we eat many fruits like as mango, apple, watermelon and lychee. After eating, the remaining seeds throw here and there, and this seed also germinate and form a new plants. Some animals like squirrel transferred seeds from one place to another place for eating. Some plants have many structure that help in scattering of seeds. Example, gentium and urina have hooks and bristles. So these hooks and bristles stick in foot of many animals and transferred from one place to another place. Next agent is explosion. Some fruits of pea, geranium and balsam burst open when they become dry, due to which seeds jump out of the fruits and get dispersed. If you have balsam in your school garden, the gardener may show you how spring-like its pods are. Children, many plant seeds burst after dry and they explode rapidly. So their seed jump out of fruits and get dispersed here and there and transferred from mother plant.